And not since the Halloween snowstorm of last year has a Springfield area service station run out of gas. Drivers who hoped to fill up at this mobile station on Longmeadow Street in Longmeadow were surprised to find the station had run dry. Those who pulled in soon found they were out of luck.
I'm trying to do my leaves. Going out, I got to fill my blowers. Got to get out to Springfield. After that, and we'll see if they have gas.
There have been reports of long lines at some service stations to fill up before the storm, but this was the first service station that 22 News found out about that had run out of gas.